Roadworks rerouted reckless rovers round rigid ramps, rattling railings, revving rotors, and rerolling rubber repeatedly. You try. Okay, let's take that faster, shall we? Roadworks rerouted reckless rovers round rigid ramps, rattling railings, revving rotors, and re-rolling rubber repeatedly. There we go. Wasn't so bad, was it? But do let me know in the comments how well you did. I'd love to hear from you. In the meantime, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and of course, make a date to join me again tomorrow for another of your favourite tongue twisters.